Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and I just made a video on the transform Docker. And a lot of people are going to be a little confused because in 2019, it's under arrange and transform, and it's transform Docker. But if you go to 2018 or below, it's under arrange and transformation. I don't know why Corel would change the name, but they did. And I've heard a couple things that they've changed some terminology for the Mac users. But so it's transform. So you just open that Docker up and you get your transformation Docker open. You can click on any of these and the Docker will open, and all the transformation, the SKU, the size, the scale and mirror, the rotation, and the position will open. So it's both of them are going to be under arrange, transform or transformation. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.